Hello everyone, my name is Kinshuk Banerjee and my team name is Vani Sangam. Our problem statement is speech to text transcription for Indian languages. Our PS code is SIH1456. Our problem statement comes under the ministry name National Technical Research Organization NTRO. So, our idea is to develop an Android or web based application that will take the user's audio as input and will provide the translation of that particular audio into English. So this will be done by converting the user's audio into native script, and with the help of that native script the final output as transcription into English will be provided to the user. And this all can be done with utilizing multilingual end-to-end model. The offered language mentioned in the problem statement are Hindi, Bengali, Urdu, Punjabi, and Indian English. So we will use natural language processing (NLP) for detecting the input audio language, so that we will tokenize the input audio into smaller units like words or letters, and based on these words or letters, with the help of these words or letters, we will build our vocabulary of the tokens. The appropriate machine learning model will compare these frequencies or patterns, and after matching, it will detect which language the text is being spoken by the user. So here is the workflow of our application. So the user is required to start. When the user starts using our application, the user provides the audio input in the first step. Then after providing the audio input, the particular audio will be tokenized into smaller units like words or letters, and these tokens will be compared and matched with the mentioned five languages: Hindi, Urdu, Punjabi, Bengali, and Indian English. If the uh, audio spoken in any of these five languages is matched successfully, then the vocabulary will be built from these recognized tokens. Then, with the help of this particular vocabulary, the audio given by the user in the first step will be converted into native script. And with the help of native script, we will generate the translation of the text into English, and this would be our final output which will be providing to the user at the end. So in case if the user faces certain issues, then we have classified the issues, certain errors, in two categories. The first category is whenever the user chooses a language uh, uh, in spite of these five, then we'll flash an error of unsupported language. Uh, and in case the user has chosen the languages mentioned here only, but still the user is having certain errors, or due to some reasons the audio language is not being detected, then we'll flash an error of language not detected, and we'll redirect the user to start again and record his or her audio again. And this is the entire workflow of our application. So let's see the prototype working of the prototype of our application. So let's move towards the working of our prototype. So here is the demonstration of our prototype. So in the input language, we have selected five languages as per the problem statement: Hindi, Indian English, Urdu, Bengali, and Punjabi. So let me select Hindi here, and for the output language we have to translate it into English only. So later on we'll remove this drop down and we'll make it as by default English. So I select English here, and I start speaking some content in Hindi. So I click on the start button. सभी मनुष्यों को गौरव और अधिकारों के मामले में जन्मजात स्वतंत्रता और समानता प्राप्त है। उन्हें बुद्धि और अंतरात्मा की देन प्राप्त है और परस्पर उन्हें भाईचारे के भाव से बर्ताव करना चाहिए।
All human beings are innately free and equal in dignity and rights, endowed with intelligence and conscience, and should serve each other in a spirit of brotherhood.
So it's the translation of the Hindi text into English. It's an additional feature that we can speak that particular audio or the particular text in form of audio, and we have added some one particular button of speak, but that's additional functionality. Major functionality we want the transcription of the input language and transcription through the native script. Actually, we have selected input language as Hindi, so what we have spelled out in Hindi would be converted into the native script. This is the native script of Hindi in Devanagari, and based on this particular native script, the transcription or translation should be done in English, and the output should be displayed in written form. And the audio feature is an additional feature, and we have that speak feature also.
All human beings are innately free and equal in dignity and rights, endowed with intelligence and conscience, and should serve each other in a spirit of brotherhood.
That's it for this video. Thank you.